I think today the presentation was all about what data and digital is changing the way supply chain is being looked at. And one of the things which we are doing as a bank in Standard Chartered, how we can actually facilitate the SME and the middle market companies using of data to evaluate them and use of digital platform like EasyTrade to actually facilitate their purchases or their sales within Hong Kong or overseas. So I think the digital trade finance development has been happening over the years. It's just that what has happened over the last 18 months due to the pandemic has accelerated the use of digital platforms. So we have essentially been able to fast track, and almost it's been like a quantum leap in terms of usage. And what is being done by both from a regulator point of view as well as platforms like EasyTrade from GS1 is facilitating this entire digital journey for all customers within Hong Kong. The SMEs obviously at this point of time want all the support in order to ensure that they are able to thrive despite the challenges which we see. And by bringing in digital platforms like EasyTrade, like eTrade Connect, it will actually help them to provide information which would be useful in terms of obtaining financing as well as in terms of sharing that data across different partners to ensure genuinity of trade, appropriateness of trade and fairness of trade.